आने दो. Okay. So in last lecture, we were watching the numericals or solving the numericals based on viewing preparatory. Based on viewing preparatory. Right now. So in the same line, we'll take another example. Write down this example first of all. You just write down this example. Can you able to see no example? Because I need space, that's why.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So you write down this. Okay, written the example. So what you understand from this numerical initially? Tell me. Read the example once again and try to apply logic. What is there and what they expect from this numerical. ठीक है, मैं बताता हूँ आपको क्या एक्सपेक्टेड है. The cylindrical package is wound on a center of 5 cm dia. The spindle speed is constant at 3200 rpm. If the traverse velocity is 205 meters per minute, determine the net winding rate at the start of the winding. Then the net winding rate when the package diameter reaches to 16 centimeter, and angle of wind at the start and at a diameter of 16 centimeter. So all these things we have already studied in winding. We already know about the winding rate. right? The rate at which we used to lay the coil on the surface called as winding rate. Simple thing. And again they ask angle of wind. The angle at which we used to lay our coil, yarn coil, on the package, right? That angle is called as angle of wind. All these concepts we have already seen. So here the question is how to calculate angle of wind. How to calculate angle of wind. So for that you have to imagine here a geometry by considering the fundamental of yarn winding on a package. So how we can draw the geometry, we can see here. So I have taken an image here. I have taken it directly from the book because I will be very difficult to draw it on the screen by use of mouse. So I have taken directly here. So you can see. Consider this is a package, this rectangular. Our package is cylindrical actually. I am representing it geometrically, hence I have drawn here like this. Okay. So if suppose this is the direction of package rotation, this is the direction of package rotation. So package is revolving. Package is revolving. It means what? It has certain velocity. It has certain velocity. So we can say that velocity is Vs. That velocity is Vs. The surface velocity of package. It's revolving. So that velocity is Vs. So same thing we have taken here in terms of vector Vs. So this is mathematical thing. So to understand this, you should have some knowledge or basic knowledge of trigonometry, geometry, right? So that you can able to understand this. So actually this is the velocity. We have taken the opposite. We have taken this velocity in opposite direction. So we can take it as per the mathematical rule. So this is Vs. Now we know that we have to wind the yarn onto the package. So in order to wind the yarn onto the package, we required a traverse. We required a traverse. Means what? You have to start your yarn from this point and you have to lay the coils onto the package. You have to reach to the other side of the package, and again from other side you have to reach to the initial, not exactly at initial point. Some gain is required in order to avoid the patterning, but ultimately you have to reach to the starting side. So that we call as double traverse. So here we are not thinking about the double traverse. Just what we have to think, we have to travel from this point to this point. So what is this? This is a traverse. This is a traverse, as we are traveling from start point to the end point, one side of the package to the other side of the package. So at what rate you are traversing? It means what? You have to also consider the traverse velocity. So during winding of the yarn onto the package, two things you have to consider, that is the surface velocity, because we know that if we are unable to revolve the package, we are unable to wind the yarn. That basic fundamental we have seen in second year. In order to wind the package, what is required? That time I told you, package should get rotated. Theoretically, we have seen there, package should get rotated. And second thing is what? There should be a traverse. There should be a traverse. So we are considering both these things. We required a surface velocity Vs and we required a traverse velocity Vt. So this will be the traverse velocity. Actually, we can draw like this, and up in opposite direction we can take this traverse velocity Vt. So here it is Vt. So by using this Vs and Vt, you are winding the yarn onto the package. You are winding the yarn onto the package. So there must be a net winding rate. There must be a rate at which you are winding the yarn over the package. So here we'll consider the net winding rate. Here we consider the net winding rate, that is Vr. So that Vr is here. This is the net winding rate. It is mainly due to the Vs and Vt. Mainly due to the Vs and Vt. Now we try to find out the angle of wind. So here we are not thinking about the coil angle. We are interested in angle of wind because in question they ask about the angle of wind. In exam, if they ask about the coil angle, you try to find out beta on the base of angle of wind. So here I am teaching for angle of wind. You can consider the logics and you can find out for the beta, angle of coil. So here angle of wind, this will be the angle of wind theta. We already seen this in second year, which angle is called as angle of wind. The coil makes an angle with the axis of the package. That is angle of wind. This is the theta. Now if I consider this triangle, now I will remove all the things so that you can clear with the diagram. So now you consider this triangle and tell me how I can calculate this theta. So those students who have completed their 11th and 12th, they can able to answer this question very easily. How we can find out this theta, angle of wind? Can I take tan theta?
Yes, sir. Opposite upon adjacent.
Yes, we can take tan theta. Okay. Opposite upon adjacent. Now, what is here opposite? Adjacent we know. Adjacent is Vs. Right? No. Adjacent is Vs upon Vs. Opposite upon V. Adjacent. What is this? What can come here?
Vt.
Vt. Simple thing. Vt. Vt will come. So here you can see this is Vt and this one is same. So we can take here Vt. So tan theta is Vt by Vs. So if you calculate this theta, we can easily calculate this theta. Right? Theta is equal to
Tan inverse.
tan inverse
Vt upon Vs.
Vt by Vs.
yes, tan inverse of Vt by Vs. Tan inverse of Vt by Vs. So by this you can able to calculate the angle of wind. You can calculate angle of wind. Now in question again, if you see, they ask about net winding rate. So here it is net winding rate. How to calculate this? VR net winding rate. Now here you have to take the sine of angle. In order to calculate the angle theta, you have to take the tangent tan of angle. So if you want to calculate the side, you can get sine of angle. In order to calculate the side, you can take the sine of angle. So it means you have to take the sine theta instead of tan theta. So this is theta. You have to calculate the sine theta. So this is sine theta. So if you want to calculate this, you have to resolve this now. You have to resolve this. So this portion plays a very important role here. So it will be Vt by sin theta. So that is the net winding rate. This is the net winding rate. Vt by sin theta. I hope you understood this. If you know the mathematics well, so then you feel that this concept is very simple. Otherwise, it is very difficult to digest. Right? So these things you have to remember while solving the example. These things you have to remember while solving the example. Tan theta is equal to Vt by Us. You have to remember, and then Vr is equal to, at net winding rate is equal to Vt by sin theta. Vt by sin theta. So you remember these two formulas, and we'll try to solve the example what we have given to you. So this is the explanation. So I will share the PPT later on, you can read. Okay. So again we'll come to the example. A cylindrical package is wound on a surface center of 5 centimeter diameter. Okay. So that we have already read. So we'll just take here given data. So what is the given data here? Package dia. How much it is? 5 centimeter. Package dia is 5 centimeter. The spindle speed is constant at 3200 RPM. It means what? They have given RPM of spindle. Spindle RPM. Spindle RPM. You can write here spindle RPM. 3200. Okay. And what they have given, if the traverse velocity is 205 meters per minute, it means what? They have given Vt, traverse velocity, 205 meters per minute. Okay. So traverse velocity is 205 meters per minute. And they asked to calculate the net winding rate, that is Vr, the net winding rate at package dia 16 centimeter. Okay. So net winding rate at the start means at when the package is at 5 centimeter, and then we have to calculate the net winding rate when the package diameter is 16 centimeter. Because as package dia increases, the net winding rate also changes. So that we have to calculate here. And angle of wind obviously at the start and at the when the package diameter is 16 centimeter. Now here we can see how to calculate. So first of all, we'll try to calculate winding rate. So write down the formula here. First of all, if you go step by step, no, you can feel the example is very simple. Any example, whatever you are solving in textile mathematics, go step by step. Net winding rate at 5 centimeter dia. At 5 centimeter dia. You write down as I am telling. because here I am very difficult to write the things because of I don't have assets here. I am drawing it by mouse. Net winding rate at 5 centimeter dia. So what will the formula tell me? Just now we have seen the formula. Net winding rate. Net winding rate.
Vt upon sin theta.
It is Vt upon sin theta. Very simple. Vt upon sin theta. So here the question is we have to calculate the theta. Vt we know, but we don't know sin theta. We don't know sin theta means we don't know theta. It means what? First of all, you have to calculate this theta, and this theta is nothing but the angle of bowing. This theta is nothing but the angle of bowing. It means what? Now you have to calculate the tan theta. Now you have to calculate the tan theta because we want a theta. So in order to get the theta, what we have seen, it is necessary to calculate the tan theta. It is necessary to calculate the tan theta. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is Vt by Vs.
Yes.
Vt by Vs. So tan theta is Vt by Vs. Now if you see here in this formula, again one problem raised. What is that? We know Vt, but we don't know Vs. So Vs is what? Vs is surface velocity of the package. Vs is surface velocity of the package. But we know that surface velocity is, what is the formula for surface velocity?
IDN.
Pi dn. So we can able to calculate the surface velocity of package by the use of formula pi dn. Right. Now, if you see this formula, can we have all the things to calculate the Vs? Pi, yes, it is constant. Diameter of package, yes, it has been given 5 centimeter. Right. Just we have to convert it into the meters because traverse velocity is in meters per minute. So I need to convert this into the meters. So that is fine, we'll get convert. So diameter they have given. Then this n we have to calculate. So n is what? Here n is what? Spindle RPM. Because spindle is revolving the package. So whatever the speed of spindle is there, that speed is gained by the package. So here we can take the spindle RPM. It has been given. Yes, it has been given 3200 RPM. So all the things they have given, we can able to calculate the Vs. So first of all, we'll calculate the Vs. Vs is equal to pi into 5 by 100 centimeter, no? 5 by 100. We are converting into the meter into this 3200. So we can able to get the Vs. You tell me what is the Vs?
503 meters per minute.
503 meters per minute. So now you know the Vs, you can put it here in the formula and you can able to calculate the tan theta. So I will calculate here. Vt is equal to, Vt is how much? Sorry, tan theta is equal to, Vt is how much? 205 meters per minute divided by 503 meters per minute. So what will be the answer? Tell me.
22.17.
22.17.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. 22.17. Okay. So here, therefore, those who are unable to understand mathematically, for them, I am calculating here. If you want to calculate theta, so theta is equal to tan inverse of 205 divided by 503. So tan inverse of, so what is the answer of this 205 by 503?
0.4075.
0.4075, right? When you do this, tan inverse of 0.4035, you use your scientific calculator, you will get the answer. Tan inverse of 0.4035 will get the answer. How much it is? 22 point.
17.
17.
So we can write 22 degree and 17 minutes. That will be the theta. Right, that will be the theta. मैथमेटिकली इस तरीके से लिखते हो, 22.17 ऐसे नहीं लिखते, ठीक है? Okay. So here you find the angle of wind when the package diameter is 5 centimeter. Now we can calculate net winding rate when the package diameter is 5 centimeter. At the start बोला है, इसका मतलब 5 सेंटीमीटर पे कितना वाइंडिंग रेट है वो अपने को निकालना है. So VR is equal to net winding rate is equal to Vt by sin theta. We know here Vt by sin theta. So Vt is how much? 205. 205 and sin theta. Now what you will take? Sine of now you can take here like this 22.17, because we have calculated theta. So here sin theta, sin of 22.17, and tell me what is the answer. First of all, you calculate the sin theta and then do 205 by the answer what you got. You will get the net winding rate.
543.25.
Hmm?
543.25.
543.
0.25.
543.25 meters per minute. Meters per minute. Okay. ठीक है, तो 543.25 आता है इसका आंसर. तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या निकाला, देखो नेट वाइंडिंग रेट एट द स्टार्ट हमने निकाला. अब आप क्या करो, ये पार्ट मैंने आपको पढ़ाया. नाउ आई विल गिव यू 5 to 7-8 minutes. You calculate this, the net winding rate when the package diameter is 16 centimeter. मतलब यही निकालना है, बट एट 16 सेंटीमीटर निकालना है. हमने 5 सेंटीमीटर के लिए निकाला, तो ये टोटल प्रोसेस फॉलो करो और 16 सेंटीमीटर को निकालो और फिर मुझे आंसर बताओ. जिन्होंने निकाला है वो थोड़ी देर के लिए थोड़ा सा चुप बैठो, देखते हैं बाकी के निकालते हैं कि नहीं. I will ask the question after 5 minutes.
162086 meters per minute.
Okay. For 16 centimeter, have you got the answer? For VS, how much VS you got?
One 9.6.
16077.
हाँ बोलो बोलो, वृंदा बोलो.
Sir, 160768
16 हाँ
0768.
ना इतना बड़ा था.
सर 1607 पॉइंट आता है उसके बाद में.
आपने
हाँ
कन्वर्ट
सर,
किया नहीं क्या?
0.68.
0.68.
Yes sir.
Okay, 1607.68 meters per minute.
Yes sir.
Okay, so VS is 1607.68 meters per minute. Then what is the theta?
Sir, 7.266.
7.2
66.
no? 266.
Yes sir. Yes.
Okay.
We are sir.
And we are
1620.
1620.86
.86. Yes sir.
0.86 meters per minute.
Yes
Meters
sir.
per minute. Okay. So answers are right. For 16 centimeter package diameter, we get the surface velocity 1607 meters per minute. Because as package diameter increases, we have to increase the surface peak. Then theta, angle of wind, will get reduced to 7 degree 26 minutes, and net winding rate is increased to 1620.86 meters per minute. 1620.86 meters per minute. Okay, so answers are right. Now for C, you have calculated B. Now for C, the angle of wind at the start and at the when the package is at 16 centimeter diameter. What will be the angle of wind at the start and when the package is 16 centimeter? Tell me, क्या हो सकता है इसका आंसर? क्या हो सकता है इसका आंसर?
तो सेम ही होगा.
ओके, सेम ही आएगा.
Yes sir.